Schumacher through the Astari chicane. The temperature builds. The BMW engine rises to over.
A Sunday filled with passion and power. Our journey began at the legendary Circuit Zolder, where engines roar and adrenaline runs high. From there, we hit the open road, carving through scenic countryside and winding lanes. A beautiful stop along the way gave us time to connect, admire, and breathe in the moment. But the road was calling. We continued on, heading towards the heart of Maastricht, where history meets elegance. Delicious meal, great company, and a stunning historic venue marked the perfect ending to an unforgettable day. This wasn't just a drive. It was an experience.